Do you want to take your TWX7 Workcentre to the next level? Well, the CS002 is the perfect place to start. If you want to add a table saw setup to your workshop, the contractor saw will give you everything you need, plus it easily slides into the TWX7 Workcentre, helping to reduce the footprint, making it ideal for smaller workshops. The contractor saw easily slides into the Workcentre. Simply remove the current module and then slide in the contractor saw's module rollers in the module mounting guide. Then just click the module locks into place and it's as quick and easy as that. With a powerful 1800 watt motor, the contractor saw has enough muscle and control to cut through the toughest material. As well as all that grunt, the CS002 also has 2 dust extraction ports. One positioned below the blade and one above on the blade guard to reduce airborne dust particles and maximize dust extraction for a cleaner and safer working environment. It also comes with a dust port adapter to quickly fit into your current workflow. The contractor saw comes with a 254mm 60-tooth TCT or tungsten carbide tip blade, ideal for clean cutting of hard or soft woods, accurate enough for laminates, and capable of professional results. In the box you'll also get a push stick holder, so you'll always know where your push stick is when you need it. With a cutting angle of 0 to 45 degrees and a max cutting depth of 83mm, makes it very capable of a range of rip, cross and miter cuts. The rip fence on the contractor saw has been updated to include a single-handed adjustment, making it very convenient to move the fence and change your setup quickly. For increased accuracy, the CS002 has a solid brushed aluminium table surface with hand slots to cover the carry handles to make a completely flat top, allowing the material to glide over the top for a smoother and safer cutting operation. The blade guard is fully closed and clear for visibility. It also features a riving knife and anti-kickback pawls to reduce jamming and kickback. With toolless adjustment, the riving knife can be quickly raised or lowered when you need to perform rabbiting or trench cuts for a range of joinery. The contractor saw's power connects directly to the TWX7's isolated switch connector under the table. For added safety, the TWX7 has a large knee-off switch, so you can shut down the blade while keeping your hands on the workpiece. The TWX7 comes with NVR, or no voltage release. If you're looking to maximize your saw, you can easily increase the table size by adding the side and outfeed supports. In the box you'll also get a protractor guide for miter cuts, a push stick for easily guiding material through the blade, spanners for blade changes, and a dust extractor adapter to ensure you'll always be able to hook it up regardless of your setup. The CS002 contractor saw has a powerful 1800 watt motor for a professional level cut, with a no load speed of 5,000 revolutions per minute, dual extraction ports for maximum dust extraction, a 254mm 60-tooth blade for a range of jobs, cutting angle of 0 to 45 degrees and a max cutting depth of 83mm, makes the CS002 a very versatile saw. Improved single-handed rip fence with a max rip capacity of 851mm. If you're looking for a portable table saw that offers professional results, then the Triton TWX7 CS002 contractor saw will make a great addition to any workshop.